Hi, in this video I'll give you a short overview of the 1FOCUS online tool. What it essentially does is it allows teams to track the progress of their team goal and personal behavior per week. Let me start with the central element, the team scorecard. That's what you see here. This is the only page where any team member can update the card at any time. So you see week numbers here on top, a forecast for the team goal and the actual team goal. Then with the green bars there is behavior. Now I'll show you all the elements that you can edit. First, on a team level here on top, edit team, you can edit the team name, the profile photo, and select or enter a leader. That's it. Then with the blue bar you can add settings, you can enter or update the settings concerning the goal scorecard, which has a description, a starting value and a end value, a start date and an end date. Then there's this option if you want to see project numbers, which means that it starts at number 1 instead of calendar week numbers, which is, you know, the actual calendar week. And there are two variations possible. There is a team score, which means that the team only has one score, or you can have a team score which is made up of the sum of individual scores. So that's everything that's got to do with the goal. So for every team we have one team goal, which is usually around 10 to 12, 13 weeks or so. Then at the green bar we have behavior, and the elements that we can edit here is there is a description of the behavior that you want from any participant or team member, and it has a target value, and this can be in different units, so it can be like a percentage or a number or money or whatever. Here you can add or delete team members that participate in this specific behavior, which means that the team members that you enter for another behavior, a second behavior, can be different. It can be the same, can be different. So these has the same elements, has a description, a target number, and the participants for this behavior. So these are a team normally has one team goal and one or two behaviors. Underneath here it has action notes, so per person, per week number, you can, this is just a text field, so you can enter some comments here. Now that's basically it. If we click on chart, you can see the chart of the team goal over the selected period of time, and also of the number of defined behaviors that we've set. Now, another thing I'd like to show you, if you go to the top left, there's the home button. You see the structure of the teams. In this case, we have 3 sales teams, and together they form a sales group. And we can take a look at how the team group is performing. So in this case, there are 3 teams selected. You can select the teams here on the group level. If you click here, you see the team members that we've selected. Now you can delete them or make other selections. So this is basically a view of the collection of teams. And again, it has a group name, a photo, and also a group leader. And what we see then is the development of the selection of the goals. So this is a group goal. The average of all the behavior cards of all the selected teams. You can also per team see if they're on the same week number, what the actual is, what the result percentage is, and what the performance of behavior percentage is. So in this case, we can see that sales region South is ahead of target because it's 113%. And that the sales West region is at 80% of their own target, and the same for performance. So I think these are the most basic functions, and what you immediately get is you provide a high level of transparency, because on a group level you can see immediately how all teams are performing, and per team you can even see on an individual basis if everybody is performing up to the standards that they've defined. So together this gives huge clarity of the performance of the overall organization. So far for this short introduction.